What's up guys, thanks for checking out this brand new guitar tutorial. In this lesson we're going to be looking at how you play Post Malone song Circles on the acoustic guitar. It's a really simple song. You need to know how many chords. 1, 2, 3, 4 chords with a passing G chord. Right, before we do anything, make sure that you subscribe to this YouTube channel if you find this useful, and give us a thumbs up or any comments below as we go along. What we're going to do is we're going to dive into the neck and we're going to see how we play these chords a little bit closer. Okay, so here we are close to the neck. This is all in the first position, and the chords you're going to need to know are a C major shape, E minor, F major, and then an F minor, and there's a passing G chord as well, which we'll talk about in a second. So let's have a look at this C major position. Now, we're not going to use all 3 fingers as you would on a C major. You're actually going to take your first finger off, so I'm going to talk about that now. So we've got an open E string, got an open B string, open G string, and then we've got our second finger on the 2nd fret of the 4th string, that's an E, and then we've got our 3rd finger on the 3rd fret of the 4th string, the 5th string here, that's a C, and we're not going to play the top E string, so it's just the C and the E. Those are the 2 notes we're going to play. So we're going to strum from string number 5 down. Don't worry about the strumming pattern just yet, we'll zoom into the whole of the guitar a little bit later. So we're just going to focus on those chords. So there's our C, and then we're going to move to an E minor. An E minor is simply your 2nd finger on the 2nd fret of the 5th string, that's a B, and then your 3rd finger tucked underneath of the 2nd fret of the 4th string, that's an E, and you're going to strum all 6 strings. Now we've got this pinky finger here, our little finger, and you can use that to hammer on the 2nd string of the 3rd fret, which is a D. Very subtle note. And then we have our F major. Now some people struggle with this F major because obviously it's in the first position, you've got to press pretty hard. You can play it as a bar chord, but if you prefer not to play it as a bar chord, then that's fine. You're going to have to use your 3 fingers here. So you've got your 1st finger barring string 1 and 2 on the 1st fret. You've got your 2nd finger on the 2nd fret of the 3rd string, that's an A, and then you've got your 3rd finger on the 3rd fret of the 4th string, that's your F. And if you want to cheat, you can use your thumb over the first fret of the 6th string, that's an F, that's a lower F. I prefer to play it as a bar chord, because you can get more clarity on the note. It's very hard to press, you've got to press really hard and get your wrist right over to play the F like that. And then we're going to play an F minor, and that's simply taking off your 2nd finger. There it is, a bar chord, and there it is as a, without a bar chord I guess, non-bar chord. Right, let's put all those chords together. So we've got this. And then we're going to stick a G as we go back into the C position. And that's only on the 2nd time round. So our G major, we've got our 1st finger on the 2nd fret of the 5th string. We've got our 2nd finger on the 3rd fret of the 6th string. We've got our 3rd finger on the 3rd fret of the 2nd string. And then we've got our pinky finger tucked underneath on the 3rd fret of the 1st string. those are the chords used all the way through. Let's have a look at the strumming pattern now. So I'm going down, 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 up, down, up. That's when we're moving to the E minor. You can try and do it with dampened strings. So there you go, have a little play around, play along with the backing track as always, so you'll learn the song better if you can play along with the track, the original track, the guitar on that as well. So if you like this, please give it a thumbs up, and if you'd like to subscribe to the channel, please do by clicking the link below. I shall see you again, bye bye.